Now let us start exercise 5.1, okay, of chapter 5, question number 3. So let us see the question what is given. Write the numbers from 2 to 10. What fraction of numbers are odd numbers? Okay, so we have started from question number 3. I am not explaining question number 1 and 2 because it is very easy, you can understand by looking. Okay, so I will start from question number 3. Okay, so let us see how to do. Now see closely, if you see here, write the numbers from 2 to 10. So first of all what we will do, we will write the numbers from 2 to 10. Okay, so next, what fraction of numbers are odd numbers? So we have to find the fraction of odd numbers. Okay, how many odd numbers are there in fraction? Now see exercise 5.1 question number 3. Okay, so we have written from 2 to 10. Okay, now we will write the fraction of odd numbers. Now see, there is a method of writing a fraction. Okay, first of all what we will do, we will count the total numbers. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Total 9 numbers are there. So what we will do, we will give a dash and in the denominator we will write the total numbers. Okay, then in the numerator what we will do, we will find the odd numbers. How many odd numbers are there? So if you see that 1 2 3 and 4 odd numbers are there. Okay, 3 5 7 and 9 are the odd numbers and rest all are even numbers. So the odd numbers are 4. Okay, total 4 odd numbers are there, and how many numbers are there in total? 9 numbers. So the answer is 4 by 9. Okay, now see question number 4. A. What fraction of an hour is 20 minutes? So we have to find the fraction of hour. Okay, fraction of an hour, that is 20 minutes. So what is the fraction of 20 minutes out of 1 hour? Okay, so we have to find what is the fraction of 20 minutes out of 1 hour. So let us see how to do. So now see, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. We know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Why we have written this? Because we have to find the total minutes. Okay, we have to find the total minutes. How many minutes are there in 1 hour? Okay, so 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So the required fraction is 20 by 60. So why 20 by 60? Because total minute is 60. Okay, because we have to find the fraction of 20 minutes out of 1 hour. Okay, we have to find the fraction of 20 minutes out of 1 hour. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. So we have to write the total minute in the denominator part and the required minute. The required minute is, we have to find the fraction of 20 minutes. So 20 is taken in the above, means in the numerator part. So if you can see, 20 by 60 and 0 are common in both the numerator and denominator. So we will cut zeros. Okay, then what we will do, we will take this next line. Okay, so in the next line I have written 2 by 6 given one dash, and see 2 and 6 have a common factor. Okay, 2 and 6 has a common factor, that is 2. So what we will do, we will divide both the numbers with 2. So after dividing we have got 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer, this is the required fraction. Now see question number 4b. What fraction of a day is 10 hours? So we have to find the fraction of 10 hours out of 1 day. Okay, we have to find the fraction of 10 hours out of a day. So let us see how to do. So see here in question number 6, in question number 4b, 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Okay, we know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So why we have written here 1 day equals 24 hours? Because we have to find the fraction of 10 hours in 1 day or out of 1 day. So 1 day equals to 24 hours. So the required fraction is equals to 10 by 24. Why 10 by 24? Because in the denominator part we will write the total hour. Okay, the total hour is 24, and the required hour we have to find the fraction is 10. Okay, we have to use the 10 to find the required fraction. So 10 by 24. Okay, 10 out of 24. So this is the answer. Okay.